This is a whole corn planter. You know, that is taking me around the tour as to see how the plant is started in the United States. This is the first mobile. Okay, what's this, sir?
A plow.
Plow.
Turn the ground over.
Okay.
But it's bent. This wheel got bent.
Okay.
This one should stand up,
Okay.
but this one's supposed to be that way.
Okay.
And it would run against the furrow to keep the plow at the right place.
Okay. So, these planters, sir, right?
Yeah, you put corn in here,
Okay.
and then the wheel would turn this mechanism, and it would drop this corn seed out. Here's the name of it:
Okay.
Bullseye Planter. That-
You using it on 1900, right?
1910, 20, probably. I don't know.
Okay. Okay.
I'm not real sure.
Okay. Those are. What's this, sir?
That's the same thing. That's a plow.
Okay, plow.
But you had to walk behind that one,
Okay.
just like the corn planter.
Okay.
It had handles.
Okay. Oh, like my plum planter.
Yeah, it had handles.
Oh.
But they rotted away. And
Yeah.
man would walk behind it, and then the horse would pull it.
Oh.
And that one up there you could ride on.
Okay. Oh, like horse.
All horses.
Oh, the two are horses, right?
Yeah.
Oh, great.